Go! So we will show you now how a full setup person or soldier is training, fully equipped with plate carrier and a sight gun. And now in this shot we will show you how he is pulling his secondary weapon and why he chose the loadout of being clear here. So you will clearly see that the sight gun is free to move up and towards target and back into the holster again. Soldier, load your gun. Fire at own will. Go! Okay guys, so we will see now what our specialized soldier can do. I have given him a few magazines with unknown amount of ammunition, so he will do now some transition or rifle drills. So rifle, pistol, and once you are empty you do some magazine changes. Soldier, load your guns. Go! All right, that was quite all right for a specialized soldier, and as you could really nicely see here, all the movements were very streamlined, effective. Nothing was obstructing his movements, and the gear kept well and did what it should do.
Instead of despite the
except the fucking antenna. Yeah. All right.
You should buy me a real PRC, right?
Yeah. I will give you now a brief introduction into the setup of a normal military guy. So we start off with the belt setup. As you see here, he's got the quite old style warrior belt on. So it's a Cordura type with molly straps on it. So he can attach all his pouches to it, from the pistol mags to rifle mags, first aid kit, dump pouch, and you've got also opening on the right hand side. Maybe you can quickly show it, where the holster comes out of the belt, so you don't attach it onto the belt, it comes out on the underside. And then as a new product which we will feature here, you will see on the back side the multi-purpose pouch horizontal version. So it's a medium-sized version, so it's got a molly system on the outside, so you can attach further items to that side. You've got a strap for quickly opening the pouch like this, and then you've got on the inside to put anything what you like. So this chap chose to put some energy bars inside, some what is it, life straw, so some survival equipment and so forth. We put on the inside, as you maybe can see here, the soft Velcro, so you can also attach some panels into it. So either it be shotgun panels, it should also attach 40mm, so 40 mic panels, etc. What you like. you can put inside on this pouch. So that's it on the belt. Now we will put on the plate carrier and go on further with that one. Alright, now I do the quick setup for this kind of setup. So he's got a plate carrier. This is still a very proven one of our range. It's a approved version, and I will show you a quick run through on this setup. As you see here, he's got 3 mag pouches, multi-caliber on the front side. He's got another 2 on the side of his waist belt, which is not a problem because of the molly rolls there. And as you can see here, we've got the molly rolls on the magazine pouches. It's also not a problem to add other pouches. So in this setup, the soldier here choose to put on 40 mic grenades on the sides. You see the furthermore on the front side, he's attached the tourniquet pouch holder. So this pouch protects the tourniquet against dirt and abrasion. And we've got as well on the frontal side some ear protection, which can be of course misused by some snooze packages.
Got me.
90 degrees turn, please. On the side of his waist belt, you see medic bag, grenade bag, and on the inside connected radio pouch. 90 degrees turn. On the back side, you see he's got a panel. I will go further into this later on. Then we've got a water bladder, and on the panel attached a Halligan tool pouch and some flashbang grenades or stun grenades. 90 degree turn. On the other side, I went already briefly into the forward part. We've got here a big multi-purpose pouch, and on the frontal side we've got the Lightstick holder. All right, then let's start on the frontal side on the plate carrier. So the plate carrier, the latest version of the LT565, which is an improved version. So this is one of the standard plate carriers which we are selling to a lot of specialized military units. So it's got an emergency drop-off handle on the top, which will remove the 2 shoulder straps and the waist belt. So you're immediately left alone of the plate carrier and everything attached to it with all the weight. For example, drowning. But you've got then, of course, for opening, closing, taking on, off, you've got on the frontal side, you've got the Velcro. The Velcro, which is attached here, right, to put on, put off the plate carrier. And then we've got on the back side, if you would turn around, Jacob, we've got, if I can show you, taking off the pouch, bent over a little bit. We've got here on the lower side a handle which will only open up the waist belt. So if you have a medical check, so you've got a wounded guy there lying there and you must do a blood sweep and you want to not open up the shoulder pads and everything, so you just pull on here and you will immediately open up the waist belt and you can easily lift off the plate carrier and make your blood sweep and see if he's got any serious wounds on his upper torso. Alright, so once we are on the backside, let's carry on with that one. As I showed you just here, this is definitely a new feature on the newest version of the plate carrier, the zippers, so you can put on any kind of back panels from our product range. And as you can see here also, we've got more room underneath, so you can still use all the molly slots which you have underneath the panel, like here a water bladder, because the back panel is going over it. It's got enough air underneath, so you can attach it underneath. So closing it again. You will see, if you turn a little bit more like this for the guys, you will see on the side skeletonized waist belt. This one is new. We've got some new fabrics also integrated in this one. For example, the rubber one on the back side, and the skeletonized waist belt gives you now, as you see here, the advantage that you can put pouches on the inside as well on the outside on the per this MOLLE system. Then let's go to the few main features of some product highlights which we've got here. So we've got here a Lightstick holder. So this Lightstick holder can be very easily attached to webbing and your one MOLLE slot. So it will take up to 10 light sticks, and it holds it securely while moving around, but you can get it easily out of the holder and used and put back in again, of course, very easily again. Then we've got on this side, we've got vertical big multi-purpose pouch. You see on the outside we've got the MOLLE rows to attach further items to it. We've got some hangers on this side and this side, as well as on this side, for attaching some not so heavy stuff, because of course it will break if you put some 20 kilo carabine onto it, but some small stuff you can easily attach to it. You've got an opening on the top side for some hydration bladder, so you can get a smaller hydration bladder inside here, up to approximately 1 liter, and lead the tuber through this one here. And then we've got on the zipper, two-way zipper, and in the middle we've got a quick opening device, so if you pull it, the pouch will be opened. So he's chosen to put some cold weather gear inside, rain jacket or yeah, just cold weather gear. And on the inside you see the soft Velcro, so you can attach some panels onto this soft Velcro for organization of this kind of big pouch. Another improvement of the new version of the plate carrier are the attachment points for comfort padding, like you can a little bit see here. So you've got on the back side the element of putting it in, and you can put it as well in on the frontal side, which you can't see now, like when he's wearing it.
So folks, that was it. That was a military style video, like on military setups. We try to give you some hints, tips and tricks here and there, how to be faster, how to set up your equipment properly, out of like our experience. That might be some years back, but we've seen a lot in a couple of scenarios here and there. And please leave us a comment if you liked it first, and second, if we can give you another hints or more hints in some other videos. So also thanks to Johnny acting as my instructor today. That was very well. Thanks for the push-ups I had to do. And to the next video. Let's get it there. Bye bye friends.
Bye. Soldier, you did some great shooting improvements here, but still not enough, my friend. So before you pick up the brass, you do some PT. So for every shot you missed, we do 10 push-ups.
So it's no push-up. Stand by.
Yeah, you can hand me the rifle. All right.
I'm plus 40. Just wanted to mention.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.